Hello children, my name is Rashi and I am from Personal Tutor, and today we will be continuing with our chapter number 7 of class 8. The name of the chapter is Cubes and Cube Roots. We have done the introduction video in which we discussed about cube roots, we discussed about perfect cubes and what are cubes. Okay, so we discussed all these three topics in our introduction video, and after that we have also done exercise 7.1. So today we will be starting with our exercise 7.2. So exercise 7.2 question number 1 is find the cube roots of each of the following numbers . By prime factorization method. So we have also done this type of question in our introduction video. हमें cube root निकालना है each of the following numbers का by prime factorization. So our first part is 64. So we have to find the cube root of 64. Now for this we will prime factorize this number. As we all know, 64 is a multiple of 2. Okay, so 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So we got the factors of 64. 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now we will start making pairs, but अब जो यहाँ पे pairs बनेंगे वो 3 factors के बनेंगे, because this is the question of cube root, not square root. Okay, cube root में we have to make the pair of 3 factors. So 2 2 2, triple 2 is 1 factor, and again triple 2 is 1 factor. So and now we have to write one number from each group. So 1 2 from this group and 1 2 from this group. Okay, so it means that cube root of 64 is 4. So cube root of 64 is nothing but 4. This was first part. Now let's come to the part number 2. So second part is 512. Now we have to factorize this number 512, and 512 is a multiple of 2 again. So 2 2s are 4, 1 and 1 11. So 2 5s are 10, 1 and 2 12, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 512 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 2. 2 into 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 2. Okay, now start making pairs. First pair of 2, second pair of 2, and then the third pair of 2. Now we will take one number from each pair. 1, 2 from this pair, 1, 2 from this pair, and 1, 2 from this pair. So it means that cube root of 512 is 2 to the 4 to the 8. So 8 is the cube root of 512. This was our second part. Now let's come to the third part. Now children, the third part is 10648. 10648. Yes. So this is the third part. Now we have to prime factorize this number. So 10648 is a multiple of 2 because it is an even number. So 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now again 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, again 2 6s are 12 and 2 2s are 4. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Now 1331. 1331 is not a multiple of 2. And now we will check whether this number is a multiple of 3. We will add all the digits and check. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, and 7 plus 1 is 8. And 8 is not a multiple of 2. It means that this number is also not a multiple of 3. Sorry, not 2, 3. Now let's come to 4. No. 5. No. 6. No. Children, 1 3 3 1, 5 6 7 8 9 10 इससे भी नहीं जा रहा, but 11 से चेक करते हैं because 1331 is the cube of 11. So that's why I told you that आपको थोड़े बहुत 15 तक अराउंड क्यूब्स भी लर्न करने पड़ेंगे. अगर हमें लर्न है तो हमें देखते ही पता चल जाएगा that yes 1331 is the cube of 11. So 1331 को हम 11 से डिवाइड करके चेक करते हैं. 11 1s are 11, 2 3, 11 2s are 22, 1 1, 11 1s are 11. So it means that 11 121s are 1331 and 11 11s are 121 and 11 1s are 11. So that's why 1331 was the cube of 11. Now the factors of 10648 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. Okay. Now one pair of 2 is there and one pair of 11. So we will write one number from each term, from each group. To 2 into 11, 22. So cube root of 10648 is 22. This was the third part. Now let's come to the fourth part. Fourth part is 27,000. So 27,000 is a multiple of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. 00 as it is. 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. 0 as it is. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. Now 3375. We will this is not a multiple of 2 anymore. So we will check whether this number is a multiple of 3 or not. 3 plus 3 is 6 and 7 plus 5 is 12 and 12 plus 6 is 18 and 18 is a multiple of 3. So it means that this number is also a multiple of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. Again 3 threes are 9, 3 sevens are 21 and 3 fives are 15. Again 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. Again now 125 is not a multiple of 3. So but yes, this is a multiple of 5 now. 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25, 5 fives are 25 and 5 ones are 5. So 27,000, factors of 27,000 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, so now we will make groups. First group of 2, second group of 3 and third group of 5. And now we will take one number from each group. 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6 and 5 6 are 30. So cube root of 27,000 is 30. Or we can say cube of 30 is 27,000. Okay. This was part number 4. Now let's come to the next part. Now, fifth part is 15625. 15625. 15625 is not a multiple of 2. So we will check whether this number is a multiple of 3 or not. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. And 14 plus 5 is 19. And 19 is not a multiple of 3. It means that this number is also not a multiple of 3. Now, but it is not a multiple of 3, 4, but n में 5 है. Unit place में we have 5, so it is a multiple of 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again 5, 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Now 5 25s are 125, 5 5s are 1, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So factors of 15625 are 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Alright. Now grouping, one group of 5, another group of 5. So 5 into 5. So 25. So cube root of 15625 is nothing but 25. Or we can say cube of 25 is also 15625. This was part number 5th. Now let's come to the next part. Sixth part is 13824. 13824. 13824 is a multiple of 2 because it is an even number. Okay, so we can start with 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6 are 12. 3 4 5 6. Now again 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 8s are 16. Now 2 6 are 12. Sorry, 2 8s are 16. Okay, 2 8s are 16. 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 1 6. 2 1 6. Again 2 1s are 2. 0. 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Again 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. अब 27 आ गया. 27 again 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Okay, so we got the factors of 13824 as, I am doing this here, 27 39 33 and 31. Okay, sorry, and here we are writing the factors of 13824. They are 2. How many times 2 are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 2 into 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 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so these are the factors of 13824. So now we are starting making pairs. So first pair of 2, second pair of 2, third pair of 2 and fourth pair of 3. Now we'll take one number from each pair. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So it means that cube root of 13824 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. Or we can say that cube of 24 is 13824. Alright, this was part number 6. Now let's come to the next part. Seventh part. This was part number 6. So now we will do part number 7. One 10592. Seventh part is 110592. So prime factorization of 110592. 110592 is a multiple of 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18 and 2 6s are 12. Again 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 6s are 12. Sorry, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Again 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Now children, 2 1 6. Now 2 1 6 again. 2 1s are 2, 0 as 0 1 क्योंकि नहीं जा रहा तो 0 and 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Now 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So we got 1 now. So the factors of 110592 are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 times 2 children. 2 2 into 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 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then 3 times 3 as well. So 3 into 3 into 3. So these are the factors of 1, 1, 0, 5, 9, 2. Now we will group these numbers. First group of 2, second group of 2, third group of 2, fourth group again of 2, and fifth group will be of 3. So the numbers that we will take from these groups are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 4 times 2 and 1 time 3. So the cube root of 11059 will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 16 into 3. Okay, 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. So 16 3s are 48. So it means that cube root of 1,10,592 is 48, or we can say that cube of 48 is 1,10,592. So this was our part number 7. Now let's come to the next part. Now children, the 8th part of this question is 46,656. So this is the 8th part. 656, yes. So 46,656. Now we will prime factorize this number and we will start with 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 again, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, and 2 4s are 8. Again 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, and 2 8s are 16. Now again 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. Now 729 is not any more the multiple of 2 because it is not even number now. So we will check whether this number is a multiple of 3. 7 plus 2 is 9, and 9 plus 9 is 18. And 18 is a multiple of 3. So it means this number is also a multiple of 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Now 27. Again 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So factors of 4 6 6 5 6 are 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times 2 है, into 2 into 2 into 2, and 6 times ही we have 3 also, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So these are the factors of 46,656. Now we will start making pairs. First pair of 2, second pair of 2, third pair of 3, fourth pair of 3. So we will take one number from each group. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So cube root of 46,656 is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 3s are 36. So cube root of 46,656 is 36, or we can say cube of 36 is 46,656. This was our 8th part. Now let's come to the 9th part. Now children, 9th part. of this same question is 175 616. So 175 616. Now we will do prime factorization, and this is a multiple of 2. Alright, so we will start with 2. 2 6 are 8, 6 are 12. 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 0, and 2 8s are 16. Again, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 9s are 18, 2 7s are 14, 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 17 बचा, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12. Now 686. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now 343. 343 is not a multiple of 2. 343 is not a multiple of 3 also. But 343 is a multiple of 7. Okay, so 7 4s are 28. 63. 7 9s are 63. 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. So now factors of 175 616 are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 times 2. 2 into 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 3 times 7. 7 into 7 into 7. So these are the factors of 175616. Now start making pairs. First pair of 2, second pair of 2, third pair of 2, and fourth pair of 7. So the numbers we got from these groups are 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So cube root of 175616 is nothing but 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. So 56 is the cube root of 175616, or we can say cube of 56 is 175616. Alright, this was part number 9. Now let's come to the last part. Now children, the last part of this question, part number 10. Tenth part is 91125. So let's prime factorize 91125. Let's check whether this multiple is whether this number is a multiple of 3 or not. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 2 13, and 13 plus 5 is 18, and 18 is a multiple of 3. It means that this number is also a multiple of 3. 3 3s are 9, 0 because 1 is not going. Now 11 है तो 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. This is 0 3 children. Now 3 1s are 3, 0 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now 3 3s are 9, 11 बचा, 3 3s are 9 again, 3 7s are 21, and 3 5s are 15. Now again 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Again 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, and 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now 125 is a cube of 5. So 5 25s are 125 and 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So with this we have completed the prime factorization of this number. Now we will write the factors. 9 1 1 2 5 के factors we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 3, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 times 5, 5 into 5 into 5. So we will start making the pairs. First pair of 3, second pair of 3, third pair of 5. So now 3 into 3 into 5. So cube root of 91125 will be 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So cube root of 91,125 is 45. And also we can say that cube of 45 will be 91,125. So this was question number 1. With this we have completed all the parts from 1 to 10. Alright, now in our next video we will be doing question number 2 and question number 3, and then we will be summing up this chapter also. So children, if you have any doubt, any query, please mention in the comment section below, and please revise all the questions, do extra questions, ask your doubts, and always practice maths. Okay, and thank you.